Should I sign? Expression of interests versus signing a contract. What is an expression of interest, or EOI? Purchasers are invited to submit their highest and best offer by a deadline to be presented to the vendor with the terms of the purchase. So this includes things like the purchase price, the deposit amounts, if there's going to be a building and pest clause or a finance clause, and what sort of time frames, the settlement period, any special conditions, for example, subject to sale, pet approvals if it's a unit, etc. It is designed so that the agent can showcase the offers from the prospective buyers with the conditions attached to the vendor for their consideration. However, not all agents use this strategy. Alternatively, others will require a buyer to sign a contract first to then be presented to the vendor. Now, if the vendor countersigns, then the contract is binding as soon as it's dispersed to the parties or their lawyers. So, there is massive risk here, right? If you're signing a contract before you get it legally reviewed by a lawyer. Especially if that contract is, say, unconditional and you've waived cooling off. You could be stuck up a creek without a paddle because you didn't realise what you were signing. We can help. As always, we suggest you obtain pre-contract advice from our team prior to signing a contract. Okay, so what have we learnt here? You can sign an expression of interest. It's not a legally binding contract obliging you to purchase. It's just an expression of interest with the pricing and terms that you're prepared to move forward with a formal offer in the future. So don't be scared to sign an EOI, and take caution if you're signing a contract of sale. Please like and share this with your friends or colleagues in the industry if this provided any value. We do appreciate it. It's how we grow our brand. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.